Hey guys, Ozzy back here. Now today I've got an iPhone 3GS with a broken screen, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to repair that. So first you're going to need to take out two screws at the bottom of the iPhone. They are here and here. This also helps if you've got a magnetic screwdriver. As you can see, it just sticks it in, so you don't have to turn it upside down and tap it out. So now you've got those two screws out, you can either take a suction cap if the cracks on your screen are up the top, just here, so you can put the suction cap down the bottom and then just gently pull up. But because the cracks are down here, it's not going to get any suction. The air is going to be released through the cracks in the screen. So we're going to get a metal screen pry tool. Now we're going to come in between the screen and the metal bezel on the outside of the phone here. So we're just going to come in just here. So just push down gently and then just slowly lift up. Nearly got it then, so just takes a bit of time, so just be patient. There we go, just got it then. So it's just under there, and that's, give it a bit of a twist, and it'll come up just like that. So just hit that side. Now there's three connectors just up here, so be careful when you're lifting this up. Just lift it up to about just there, and then get a plastic spudger. And I don't know if you can see that there's one of the connectors there and there, and there's also one hidden under there. There's a bit of it. So you're just going to come in from this angle, and then just lift up the first connector, just like that. So there's the first connector, here's the second connector, just like that, and the third connector is the jaw connector. So you're going to have to lift up this black tab just here about 45 degrees, just there. Once you've done it, you can just slide out the third connector, just like that. So there's the back housing and the motherboard. We don't need that, so just put it aside. Here's the screen and the LCD, or digitizer I should say, and the LCD. Now we're going to have to take out, I think it's 7 screws, and they're just one there, one there, one there. So 6 screws actually. One there, and then one at the top, just there. So let's go ahead and quickly take them out. And also just be careful with your LCD, because we will still be using this. So just try not to press too hard on the metal sheeting. Otherwise you could crack the LCD and then you'll have to repair that as well, but this way it just saves us a bit of money. There you go. So now we've got all the screws taken out, you're going to have to lift up this little tab just here, just a little bit, and then we'll get either a flathead screwdriver, and then there'll be a little cut. You can't see it on the camera. Oh, there it is, just there. So you just sort of push your screwdriver into that cut, and then just lift it up a bit. So do that on one side, then come over to this other side, and the cut is just there. So just do the same, and just bring it up gently. Don't force anything, by the way. If you force something, you're doing it wrong, and you could do more damage than you're doing good. And then once you've done that, see it's partially up just there. There'll be a little tab just here. Just gently lift it up, just like that, and just pick it up, and then just slide it out. So there you go. There's the broken digitizer. We don't need that anymore. You can just throw that out or do whatever you do with it. And this is the LCD. Don't touch it, otherwise you'll get fingerprints on it, and it'll show up when you put the new screen on. Also be careful of dust. That's pretty much it. So here's how to show you. This is the new digitizer. Just here. And there's that metal tab. So when you're putting it back in, just lift that up just a little bit, and then you slide your LCD in at an angle, then up, and then just gently press down on the edges. So thank you for watching that. I hope you liked it. When you're reassembling this, just do these steps in reverse, and please rate, comment, and subscribe. See you later.